I really liked Becky's shoes she was wearing earlier today. I wonder where I can get a pair of shoes like that.
Hey, wait a minute. Why am I slowing down so fast? What's up with this thing? Oh no! I forgot to charge this. I'm out of juice. What am I gonna do? I'm stuck out here with no charge, zero battery.
Uh-oh. Looks like she needs help. Excuse me, miss. What seems to be the problem?
I've forgotten to charge my Tesla one too many times and it's completely run out of battery.
Don't worry. I can save you.
Oh, wonderful.
You're all set.
Oh my gosh, you're my hero. How did you do that?
With Ford's Pro Power Onboard charger found in the 2021 Ford F-150 Hybrid.
Thank you, Ford.
Awful corny promo video aside, this is a really cool feature on the 2021 Ford F-150. Now, even the base trucks with the non-hybrid powertrain can come with the Pro Power Onboard chargers that allows you to get a few kilowatts out of wall-style outlets in the back. However, the hybrid model comes with an optional 7.2 kilowatt, 240 volt charger port, and we just thought that would be perfect to try charging up our Tesla. So you can see here, in the back of the F-150, you've got 2 wall-style outlets, 2 more wall-style outlets, and then right here, the Holy Grail 240 volt. Now it's a weird NEMA 1430 twist style plug. So we did have to buy an adapter for our Tesla. This actually goes from the Tesla NEMA 1450 plug, right from our mobile charger, into this adapter. And then it's as simple as taking it, making sure the plug lines up properly, giving it a nice little twist, locked in there. And then you've got the green Tesla logo showing we got power. Plug it into the car here, and we've got our little charge light. Then coming up into the truck, we've got generator mode on. In generator mode, your engine will continue to run to supply power to the outlets. Only use outside, yes. And it shows you there's actually 2 different circuits, both 3600 watts, should be 30 amps each. Right now they're drawing next to nothing. So that's because we've got the charging stopped in the Tesla. So if we go in here, you can see charging stopped. We're at 87% state of charge. I've got it maxed out at 30 amps because if it were at 32, that would actually just barely override the truck's abilities and it would kill the whole thing. Ask me how I know. We hit start charging, then we start getting some power, and you're gonna hear in just a moment the truck's engine's gonna start up. So we've got 16 amps, 17, 18. So starting to pick up power right now. We're getting up 24, 26, 28. There's 30 amps, 7 kilowatts. We just heard the truck power on. Let's go check out what we got on the screen. Look at that, totally red, maxed out, 3600 watts on both circuits. But this thing will just keep on going. We ran it for about 10 minutes, absolutely no problem. Obviously you're gonna suck down some gas, but that's to be expected. So on our 53 kilowatt hour battery, that's given us 13 to 14% charge for every hour this thing's plugged in. And more importantly, let's actually shut this down. You're gonna be able to hear the difference in engine sound when I unplug it. The engine gets much quieter, and then the truck will shut off in a matter of seconds. Now more importantly, our Tesla can get about 3 to 4 miles per kilowatt hour. If you're driving easily, over 5 miles per kilowatt hour is no problem. So that means in less than 10 minutes of being plugged in here, you can get over 5 miles and probably get yourself to either home or the supercharger you were trying to get to, or to just another 240 charger or something like that. There's so many other non-goofy emergency situations where this could be incredibly useful. Think if you're going out to a tailgate. Think if you're maybe going out camping and one person wants to bring an electric vehicle, but you have the truck because you were towing the camper or something like that. You could charge up the electric vehicle for someone to come hang out, or someone just needs a little extra juice or something like that. And then obviously there are a ton of non-electric vehicle uses for it as well. Tailgating, birthday parties, camping, sporting events, so many different uses that even though the wall style outlets are useful. 4 plugs in there, that's pretty cool. And as more and more electric vehicles are hitting the grid, a lot of people do ask, well, you can't exactly carry a gas can to go fill up an electric vehicle dead on the side of the road. So if more vehicles like this F-150 hybrid start coming with 240 volt plugs on them, then that's kind of a useful way to give a little pick-me-up to a stranded electric vehicle owner. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you on the next one. I'm Charlie from Daily Motor, and as always, drive on.